Okay, we're at 5964 Euclid Road. We're going on a sanitary inspection, and we've made it all the way out to about the edge of the property, about 10 feet from the curb. I made it past this point a second ago, but doesn't want to go past it now. Look, this was a blockage, and I actually got past it, and there's a little bit of a, see the water going down and going past it. So the hub is still in place. It's cracked on the edge, but that hub that's around it, is still in place. So the water's going down and
yeah. So it's still either compact soil or something. I think it's
yeah. So there's a little corner of it missing, but the water's still like, you know, making its way through there. Oh, I thought I was going to get a good running jump. There we go. And here's the spot. I just pulled right back past it like an idiot. I'm going to turn the microphone off so you can stop hearing me complain. I'm going to pause the video here and get a locate on this location. Alright, so it's in the lower edge of the front yard. It's 4'10" to the invert. So pretty shallow. So if you wanted to either repair it or put a clean out in that area. And then it is pretty shallow though, so that's good. But we were only able to get out because of the lack of access. We got out to about 100 feet, which is like right on the edge of the property where MSD would take over. But overall, I'd say the line looks in pretty good structural condition. There's some root intrusion, but turn the microphone. So here's some of the root intrusion. It does look like it's been treated based off the coating on it. Looks like they've probably been maybe putting some root X through the line, because you don't see any real active roots at the edge. Open roots, it's got that coating on it. And so, I would say most likely they've ran some root X through here. A little bit of exposed roots in that area, but it looks like all the roots have, like this all looks fresh, that little bit there. But usually you can tell the difference between the like recent grown roots like that, where it's all exposed, and then you have the spots where they have the coating on it. That stuff where it's up out of the flow line, it's getting in, but it's got like a coating on it, but it doesn't look like they are open and exposed roots. Now we're back in the cast iron. And so you see all the broken up cast iron from the recent cleaning that was just done before I got here. So this all looks like it's holding shape well. Hopefully that first load of laundry will flush all this stuff out now that the line's open. And we'll be coming back up into the sink line, which will be, I would assume that connection there to the right is probably the, yeah, based off of all this goo, I'd say that connection off to the right was most likely the main stack with the bathrooms, and that's why it was so clean after that. And this is all the sink and laundry line, which is why it's looks so nasty because this is where the grease and the lint and everything builds up in this part of the line. So hopefully that first load of laundry there will flush out all the goo, but coming vertical back up the stack now. And we are out of the stack. So we were only able to get out 100 feet. We weren't able to get all the way out to the main, but that is right around where the property line is, right where the municipality or Metropolitan Sewer District takes over responsibility. But we were unable to inspect past that point. The line looked good structurally, with the exception of that one spot there that is leaching some water out into the ground, but I don't see any evidence of any undermining or anything on the surface. But it may be something that you would want to repair in the near future. It would also be a good spot to put a two-way clean out in, and that way not only could you clean it, but you could also give you the ability to inspect the rest of the line and get a larger camera or a standoff on the camera to be able to get past that offset where the line is dropping down to get under the road. But overall, I think the line's in pretty good shape for its age. It's just going to need a little bit of maintenance. And so that's going to end the inspection for 5964 Euclid Road in Cincinnati, Ohio.